In this session, we're going to cover how to go about signing your financial agreement. Before signing your agreement, make sure you agree to and understand all of the terms and conditions. This is one of the reasons why the Family Law Act says that you must receive independent legal advice before you sign the agreement. You should not sign your financial agreement until both parties have consulted with their lawyer and received their certificate of independent legal advice. Once you've finalised your draft agreement with the assistance of your lawyers, the lawyers will each issue a certificate of independent legal advice. Attach these two certificates to your final document. Next, initial each page of the agreement and initial each other's certificate of independent advice. By doing so, you indicate your agreement to the provisions on each page, and it makes it harder for the contract to be tampered with by replacing any of the pages. Now you're ready to sign your agreement. Make sure you use clear, legible writing, and it's a good idea to use a high-quality witness. We recommend using a Justice of the Peace as your witness because they have an understanding of the legal ramifications of signing the agreement and they're independent of both parties. You could also use a solicitor, a notary public, or a court officer, or even a duty officer at the local police station. Your witness may request identification to verify your identity, and this adds another layer of security to your agreement. They don't need to read or understand the document itself. They only need to verify that the person signing it is who they say they are. If it's not possible for both parties to be in the same location when the agreement is signed, you can sign in front of a witness separately. The first party should sign the contract and then post it to the other party for signature. At the end of this process, you should have one original document. One party keeps the original and the other party keeps a copy of the original, and you can make as many other copies as you like. Your agreement is now complete. Just like an insurance policy, store it away somewhere safe, and we hope you never have to use it. It's also a good idea to send a copy of your agreement to your lawyer for their records.